Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how crucial it is to keep your assets secure. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw your Shiba Inu tokens from Metamask straight to your Ledger Nano X. This step-by-step guide will have you transferring your SHIB safely in no time, helping you protect your investments from potential risks. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need Metamask installed on your browser, your Ledger Nano X device unlocked and connected to your computer, and of course, some Shiba Inu tokens in your Metamask wallet. If you're new to this, double-check that your Ledger is updated to the latest firmware for seamless compatibility. Step 1. Open your Metamask extension and select the wallet that holds your Shiba Inu. Look for the SHIB token in your assets list. If it doesn't show up, you might need to add it manually by searching for its contract address. Don't worry, I'll link that in the description. Step 2. Hit the Send button next to your SHIB balance. Enter the recipient address, which will be your Ledger Nano X's Ethereum address. To find that, open the Ledger Live app on your computer, connect your device, and navigate to the Accounts section. Copy that address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Crypto is unforgiving with typos. Step 3. Double-check the amount you're sending. Remember, there might be network fees, so factor those in. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction in Metamask. You'll need to approve it on your Ledger device by checking the screen and pressing the buttons to verify. Step 4. Sit tight while the transaction processes on the Ethereum network. This could take a few minutes, depending on congestion. Once it's done, head back to Ledger Live to confirm your Shiba Inu has arrived in your hardware wallet. A quick word of caution: always use a secure connection and never share your seed phrases. This method keeps your crypto offline and safe from hackers. If you run into any issues, check the official Ledger or Metamask support pages. There you have it, folks. You've just secured your Shiba Inu on your Ledger Nano X. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.